Okay, so I got my car fixed this week. Somebody backed into it, right into the door here. It's all fixed up now. Which I really appreciate, the $300 ding. And I got my windshield replaced here. But you know what? I'm pretty happy with the service that I got from these people. It looks like I got a free detailing of my car, which is sweet. Yeah. What the heck? Some guy took my cologne. The guy at the detail shop took my cologne. Not cool, man. Not cool. I already got smacked into on the side of the street, and now you're taking my cologne from me. What a crappy week. So yeah, it's hard to talk to you guys because I want to keep the air conditioning on, but maybe we'll turn it off for a sec. So I go to return the rental car for this little endeavor of spending $300 to get my door fixed and $200 to get my windshield fixed. That was my fault. So I'm only ticked off about the $300 part. So I go to return the car today, and the lady at the shop gets a phone call halfway through my dealings while I'm giving her the money, and she starts talking to the guy, and then she walks to the back of the corner, and the phone almost pulls off the desk, but she caught it, and the speakerphone turned on, and the dude is on the other line, and he's just sitting there, and he's like, "Hey, sexy lady, sexy woman, hey, sexy lady." And she just looks at me, and her face gets red, and she just starts getting so embarrassed. I thought it was pretty funny, but she was pretty embarrassed, and I thought it was hilarious. I actually had to teach her how to turn the release button on the phone so that she would hang up on him. What are you doing? Yes, I'll put my seatbelt on. I hate that. See that? You never can get your seatbelt out. There we go. Happened again.